Hello, here's how you can remap Copilot key to CTRL. So to do this, I will first of all open my browser, and as you can see, when I press CTRL, Shift and dot on my keyboard, Copilot automatically starts up. As you can see, currently it says CTRL, Shift and plus. Now, to change this, I'll have to first of all navigate to Start and search for Microsoft Store. After opening Microsoft Store, simply go to the search bar and search for PowerToys. Now, I have this app already installed on my PC. I will click on this and I will open it. You'll have to install this and open it. Now, after opening this, you're going to see this page where you're going to click on Input and Output. Now click Keyboard Manager, and here you will see an option saying Remap a key. Now click Remap Keys, click Key Remapping and choose Select. Click here and choose any key. For example, I will select F23. Now, here you'll have to select this one and choose CTRL. So type in CTRL. Now click CTRL right and click OK. After you do this, click Continue anyway. Now, after you do this, your Copilot key remapping will be done. And if this doesn't work, you can click on Remap a shortcut key, click Add Shortcut Remapping, choose here, select the Copilot key here and choose the shortcut to which you want to redirect the key to. After you do this, click OK and your Copilot key will be remapped. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.